I'm Yvette Ho, co-founder of Bloom KKC Academy. Look what we have in our Bloom garden. There's basil, rosemary, parsley, even chili. We use all these herbs in our signature farm-to-table program. Through cooking, you can have a lot of fun and learn different skills. Think creatively, work hard with your hands. And these are the reasons why we came up with Bloom Can Cook.
So I've got all these colorful vegetables that I'm going to use. For tomatoes, I've chosen the sharpest of my knives because they're quite hard to cut. I've got my tomatoes here as my red part of my rainbow, and I'm peeling my carrots as my orange part. So in it goes. Voila, here's my salad.
Hi all Bloomers, thank you for the joining and take the challenge of the Bloom Can Cook the competition. It was really nice to see the all creations and I just wish I can taste it as well. But yeah, thank you one more time and I hope you can just keep cooking all the time.
Hi guys, welcome to PolyU, to School of Hotel and Tourism Management. I am Chef Sonori. Welcome to my kitchen. I would just like to say a big thanks to all of you that competed in the Bloom Can Cook. You guys were amazing. I was so inspired by your creations and I was so proud. Cooking is my world, my job, and I train people all the time. You guys were amazing. Big thanks for your support and may you continue to cook. Stay you, be brave, and stay strong. Well done, Bloom Can Cook.
Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a healthy, juicy lunchbox. And I also make my own chef hat. I have white sesame here and black sesame here. I also cut them into little pieces so I can mix it into the rice. It looks very nice. Now we'll have to use the molds that we had earlier. Wait about 8 minutes for the egg to cook. We'll put some rice into the teddy bear mold. I'll make my lunchbox now. Thank you. And today we're gonna make a cold spinach dish with some sushi. 3. I'm using cane sugar, so it's healthy. I'm now squishing it dry. And we're gonna turn the heat up to 180 degrees. Oops. Emma, can you put some more rice here? What it looks like after it's finished. Here's the appetizer, here's the main dish, and here's the fruits.
Hi, good morning and welcome to Charlene's Pantry. My name is Charlene and this is my kitchen and I teach cooking here at home for kids and adults. I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me to be a panel judge for Bloom Can Cook. I really enjoy watching all the videos and it was just nice to take a peek and to see like what all you friends are doing and cooking at home and what sort of ingredients you're using, and it was just really fun to see all the creativity, and it's really inspiring and encouraging as well to see so many young budding master cooks. So I just want to say thank you and stay calm and keep cooking.
I'm craving for some salmon. Let's go get some.
包饺子需用韭菜，我们家里刚好有种，所以我们是哪一点吧？今天我们要做饺子。
Today we're going to be making spaghetti carbonara.
Hello, Bloom students. It's Miss Woodward here, and I had the pleasure of being one of the judges on the Bloom Can Cook competition. Now, I was absolutely overwhelmed with the submissions that I looked at. We've got so many amazing chefs in our student body. I had children who used Wagyu beef. I had children who made lots of different types of pasta. I had children who made really, really healthy options. I even had somebody who made their own lunchbox using their makerspace skills, and a few little bento boxes which had cute cats on, with little seaweed faces, and even mushrooms that had lots of different faces on. So well done to everybody who made a submission for their competition.
I still remember the good lessons we had in this food technology lab, but I never ever expect to see the high quality I saw in each of your video. I would like to congratulate all the contestants for doing an excellent job. It was so hard for us to choose the winners just because all the submissions were just brilliant. Keep moving, working hard, and let's invite other schools to join us next year. Well done.